Alright everybody, the headliner is finally in and is finally done, so let's take a look at it. Alrighty everybody, so here's what the headliner looks like now. As you can see, we went with all black and I spray painted most of the parts black that I could. The grab handles had to stay gray because that's rubber, but I painted the plastic parts black. And yeah, this is what it looks like now. It looks pretty good if I had to say so myself. And if you see that something's missing, you're not wrong, because I painted my window visors and they didn't really turn out so good, so I bought some gray ones and those will be on the way.